got to the air show box, folks. Over the helicopter.
Oh my god. That's okay.
Show anything. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
I can't believe what we're seeing now. This is something else.
Fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Wow.
That's an airship. It's an airplane. No, it's a jet. It's a jet. It's a jet.
Looks like a space shuttle.
Whoa, that is a really cool jet.
This is so cool, man. What do you think, guys?
This is amazing.
What do you think, Anna?
Moving.
Don't look at the screen. Just point the screen at Anna.
Car. He's actually moving. He's actually moving. Look at how amazing. I can't. I just can't. Let's change to something else.
This is amazing.
Ooh, it's one of those things that you can see out of
it's,
Just normal drums with LED lights.
they're not normal drones.
Well, maybe 1,000 to do that.
They probably cost a lot of money.
Oh yeah, what are the lights?
This is worth the tickets right here. Just this.
Cool. Mike, will we see this?
I can't believe I lived to see this kind of stuff.
That is so satisfying. It's a planet. It's the universe. It's the universe. No, it's a solar system. It's the solar system, Raymond.
Yo, chill out, guys. Lower your volume a little bit. William, lower your volume. You guys can talk, just don't scream, okay? Oh, it's like you're traveling. Like light speed. Yeah. Warp speed.
Father started wrong, but I won't give up on
It's a moon.
and I'll take a stand, 'cause we can overcome. This is not the end. I still believe in us, oh America. You're still the land I love, though a little bruised up. Stars and stripes still cry liberty over evil, over tyranny. Blood poured out for our freedom. They sacrificed it all for this nation. I still believe in us, my America.
Wow. Okay, that's just
Absolutely beautiful.
Bro.
That was one of the coolest performances I've ever seen.
I want to go back here.
We had the best seats for this whole show.
We're right in the middle. I'm always lucky. I'm always in the middle.
Where wasn't luck? You gotta remember,
I know.
I feel like we're very blessed. We should be very thankful. Can't thank luck.
Wow. I could feel that.
Yes.
Dad, I need to go to the bathrooms.
Go ahead, go do your thing.
Anybody else need to go to the bathroom? No. You guys need to try or something? No. Ask William. William's not paying attention.
Just go. He's fine.
Wow. Raymond. Oh, Raymond, guess what? See the wiggly ones? That reminds me of something. I'll tell you later. What I mean. Okay, I'm gonna break my
and gentlemen, the fabulous Drum Shop.